How's it going, guys, and welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, I'm finally getting to my projector unboxing. This is not going to be the full review. This is just going to be the unboxing and first impressions video. So I just want to give a huge shout out to VANKYO. If I say that wrong, sorry about that. But huge shout out to VANKYO for sending me out this projector, the Leisure 430 home theater projector. This is their updated version for August 2019 of the Leisure. This comes after the Leisure 420, which was another one. So this is a mini projector. It's used for like home theater stuff. You can also use this for gaming. I think it has a pretty good response time. So we got 1080p supported, which is huge. You don't want a 720p projector because it's not going to be as crisp. We got keystone correction, so obviously you're going to be able to like adjust it based on the angle you set it at. And we also have dual speakers, and I'm going to test those out in the full review and let you guys know, because I'm a huge audio fan. So I'll let you guys know what it actually sounds like. So as you can see here, made in China, Leisure 430. On the back of the box, we can just see the projector hung on the top of the roof. Share moment, shape, and vision, Leisure 430 home theater projector. So we got that, and I think this should open fairly simply. You just undo this. It comes with a little handle, which I like, makes it easy to hold. Treat it like a suitcase almost. I'm sorry I haven't gotten around to doing this, but I have been excited for actually unboxing this, because how often do you get to unbox like a speaker on your channel? Not very often. How often do companies send you a speaker? Not very often. So yeah, that's all that comes in the box. Comes in a little carrying case right here, which is nice. Nice feel to it. Nice mesh feel. I don't know if all projectors come with cases, but they really should, because it has a handle, and this is good for travel, because obviously the main thing that they're trying to sell here is portability. So we got VANKYO. This is really easy for storage, I gotta say. You just put the projector in here, and you can take it anywhere you want, vacation, whatever you want. Plug your laptop in, your phone, gaming console, anything you want, just like that. And you now have a portable projector, and you can adjust the screen size. I'm not sure what the max screen size is on this, but I'll be sure to let you know. So yeah, let's just get the contents out of this. Okay, so we are in the package. Got everything set up. Let me just adjust the camera angle, point it a little more down. So yeah, here we got the thing itself. It came with these straps just holding it in, which is really nice. So just so if you're traveling and you don't want this shaking around, these straps can hold it in place, but we're just gonna take those off anyway. So yeah, let's get, actually, before we get that out, let's take out the cables, see what we got. I can see we have a bunch of cables. This is the power adapter. Simply plug this in the wall, get some juice going. Here is the remote it comes with, standard remote. Up, down, left, right, okay, back, forward, play, pause. Simple stuff like that, similar to like a basic TV remote you would get if you bought a TV, because this is sort of like a TV replacement for your household. We have a nice HDMI cable, which is awesome. I can always use HDMI cables. HDMI cables are always great, because I always break mine. I believe this is the screw to actually adjust the height and angle of the device when it's propped up. So if you want it higher on the wall, you'd make this longer, and you just screw it in. Simple stuff like that. I appreciate having this, because always propping it up by itself like on a book can sometimes be a hassle. And here we have an adapter. What is this, AV cables, I think they're called. Haven't used these in a while, but this also connects to a 3.5mm headphone jack. So I think this is for audio. If you want to use these type of cables, you can do so. It's kind of like an audio adapter. It's pretty cool. I don't know if anyone really needs this these days, because everyone just uses HDMI, but whatever. It's besides the point. Let's take this out. I don't know what this is. Qualified certificate. Okay, cool. Let's put that to the side. Sorry about that. I just knocked my camera over by accident. And then also in here we get all the information that you need. Our dedicated and friendly customer care team will work at full stretch to put a smile on your face and restore your confidence in VANKYO. So I like that. They really care about customer feedback and support. Here we have the main user manual. I'm probably gonna have to read this just because I'm not sure how it works yet, but I'll make sure I know how to use it in the actual full review of this for this projector, because I have a feeling it's going to be a really solid projector, and it comes with like a zillion languages in here. Okay, here's a quick start guide, just to get you going really quickly so you don't have to read the entire user manual. Just basically how you use the thing, how to plug it in, how to turn it on, how to adjust the angle, all that good stuff, how to use like the settings. So you select the input source, whatever it may be. I'm going to use HDMI just because that's the easiest. And yeah, let's put that off to the side. Let's get to the main attraction here, which is the speaker itself. Really small and compact, which I like. That's their main selling point here, is they wanted to make a projector that was small, compact, and could display a solid image for the consumer. So let's just take this plastic off. And I like the design so far. This is where you put the screw in. If you want to adjust the height or whatnot, you can do that. Let's just get this plastic off. This is the power. You plug it in. Let's get this off. And let's get this off. So much plastic. Here we have the lens cover. Is there any more plastic on here? I don't think so. So this is the lens cover. Obviously, when you're not using it, you can just put this on, and yeah, just to protect the lens. Obviously, it just goes on like that. And here we go. VANKYO power on the back just it lists all the specs and stuff. I think these are the dual firing speakers. I could be wrong, but okay. And then on the side, we have all the inputs. Looks like a jack port, like a 3.5 millimeter jack port. Let me just test that out. Yes, it is. This looks like an SD card reader, USB, HDMI, and VGA. So we got all the inputs here, so you won't have an issue with having an input source. Here is the adjustments when it comes to the angle and the focal length. So it also says don't look into the lens, because obviously that can hurt your eye. So this is what you're going to use to adjust the overall image quality when you actually are projecting it, because obviously it's not going to be perfect when you first do it. You have to adjust it based on the distance and stuff like that. So we have power. This looks like options. Not sure what this button is. Back, okay, and then directional buttons for actually going through the settings and stuff. So first impressions, looks pretty solid. This should get the job done. Obviously, I'm going to have to look at it fully in the full review when I do that. But yeah, overall good start. I think this is going to be a solid projector. If you want to have like a movie night or something like that, or if you want to game on this, I'll test gaming on this as well and see how the image quality holds up compared to an actual TV. And so yeah, when I do stay tuned for the full review, guys, because that'll be coming out shortly. And yeah, hope you all enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions of the VANKYO portable 1080p speaker, the Leisure 430. If you guys enjoy this, leave a like on this video, subscribe, turn on those notifications, do all that good stuff, guys, and go follow me on my social medias. Go subscribe to my second gaming channel, Gaming Made Easy. And I will see you guys in the next unboxing or tutorial. Peace.